Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to
Okay.
participants today. So this is actually not a company webinar. So this is our team webinar. Our team already processing very good, and we are doing all the webinars in all the languages around the week. That's why every day we are doing in different languages. So this everyone aware. And by now in this schedule, by today Tuesday, we are going to give our English webinar. Today's speaker, Mrs. Sanjana ma'am. She is well experienced and is a international speaker. She is an international speaker. So I'm with pleasure. I'm inviting her to our English webinar. Okay, thank you. Well wish, ma'am. Anjana, ma'am. The floor is yours. You can do your presentation very cool, politely in your own way. There is no disturbance for you and nothing. So thank you for acceptance to come our chat and to come our webinar presentation and do your things. Okay. So with this, the floor is yours. Welcome, Anjana ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Mr. Ravi Kumar sir, and also a warm welcome to one and all gathered here. A warm good evening to one and all. Okay, thanks a lot. So today, we are going to see about Academy of Private Investors, basic training in business training, and also about the crypto unit presentation. So Academy of Private Investor is API. Nowadays, we have the facility to enter into our new account only through API tab. So that is the long back Andrei Havratov informed that, and now we are getting into our account only through API tab. So it was started back in 2011, and next year we are going to complete 10 years of this academy. 10 years celebration going to conduct next year. And the main theme of this Academy of Private Investor is study, invest, and prosper. So study is all about education. What is education? It is an enlightening experience. The real education is a journey from converting the human being into being human. So the real education not only imparts you the knowledge, but also gives you wisdom. So education gives us knowledge all around the world and how to behave with the people, and also to something better and better, to become better in our attitude, as well as not only in wisdom but also in our attitude. So this is all about education. Investment. So invest. What is invest? Investing money for a profit. So investment fund, that is a pool of money set aside for a specific purpose or professionally managed. So here we are collecting the funds from 176 countries across the globe and using that for a purpose, a specific purpose, where we get high returns. So the role of financial literacy is to make everyone educated and financially possible to take responsible decisions. That is the main theme of investment. So a monetary asset purchased with the idea that the asset will provide income in the future, or it can be sold later at a higher price for a profit. That is all about investment. And prosper. What is prosper? It's to flourish, to grow vigorously, pick up and improve, to succeed in an enterprise or activity, especially to achieve economic success, to become strong and to thrive. So many difficulties are there in today's competitive world. In order to make ourselves financially free, we need to prosper only through the education and investment. So this is the basic principle behind the Academy of Private Investor. Next slide, please. So here the compliance and the risk disclaimer. EIP is Educational Information Products, MLCI, multi-level crowd investing. So large number of people are investing for a specific goal. So that is MLCI. We can see it in the enhanced version in the coming slides. CRU is crypto unit, the internal point for tokens. I'm reading out the disclaimer. Here we do not sell or do not have a license to sell shares or tokens. All countries have their own rules for the sale of financial products, and we comply with the laws of the country. Most countries allow the sales of information products without a special license. We offer the opportunity to participate in wealth building training, which provides the fundamental principles on which wealth is created and maintained. We do not provide financial or investment consultations. So please do your own due diligence or request confirmation from a licensed accountant or financial advisor in your area with the requirements in your state or country. So at present, we do not have a license to sell our shares or tokens. This is what our complaint disclaimer mentions here. So I'm Anjana. I have completed my master's in financial studies, and then I have also master's in computer applications. And I started my career as an education delivery support officer in NIIT Bannerghatta and Bangalore. And then my schooling I did at Bangalore. Then I shifted to Chennai after my marriage. Then I have extensive experience in project management from scratch, starting from requirement analysis, design, coding, and development, and also till testing and maintenance phase. And now I'm engaged in business administration and development, taking care of all the clients, totally engaged with the new. So since I thought of having not only a job, but a career, I selected this new as a great work. Not only it's not career, not just a job. So this is very much interested thing, and also one should love the job. The job satisfaction should be there, or else it is difficult to. You may have studied so many masters, but if you do not get a job and related to job satisfaction is not there, really you feel it difficult in each and every step you take. Even you don't like to work at all. So that is not in the case. I love to work for new. So I am the manager for new consumer community partner program and a private investor and also international speaker and entrepreneur. I have given so many speech in my career for MNC people who work in corporates, the advanced technology in computer applications I used to give. So this is not a new stage for me. So already I have that experience in providing delivery management about education. So this is all about me. So today we are planning to cover these topics, meeting program, part of the meeting, investment thinking. So what is an investment thinking? An academy of private investor. What is the role of financial literacy? So the role of financial literacy is to take responsible financial decisions. So investment thinking is once if you should have an investment strategy. If you have an investment, it is not sufficient. You have to safeguard your capital and also have knowledge about multiplying the returns. That is the main thing involved in investment thinking. So just an investing is not at all sufficient. You need to know how to multiply your capital, preserve your capital, and also multiply your returns. That is the thing about investment thinking. And VIP Club of a Private Investor. So now we have massive growth, and also the count is almost 20,000, nearing 20,000 in VIP Club. And about the growth prospects. So what are all the growth prospects and bonuses for participants of the club, and global CRU portfolio included in VIP Club of a Private Investor, and about multi-level crowd investing. So we are the pioneers in multi-level crowd investing. and business training for partners. So how come our company is providing all kinds of meetings, regular meetings, even Saturdays and Sundays? No company is providing meeting like this for the not even employee. We are the co-owners. So for co-owners, they are providing extensive training every week. So about that we are going to see, and new economic evolution of the world. What is new all about, and also what are the plans of the company. So these are the meeting agenda. Today we are planning to cover all these topics. Academy of a Private Investor. So API. Since if you open your new account, you can very well give your referral link of this API instead of CRU. If you want to register a new person, very well you can give this referral link. This is what suggested by our company. So now we are using the CRU particularly mainly for exchange, and also some even that referral program also you can combinedly get in API as well in CRU tab. I think, okay. So our portfolio is not only a global investment portfolio, but also it's a guaranteed portfolio, which is an online portal with 9 years of expertise. And we have more than 1 million users from over 176 countries across the globe, and teachers. So the trainers who are training us in order to educate us in the field of finance, not only to safeguard and secure our money, but also to increase our returns. So these are training, they have 25 years of experience in investment and finance field. So you may think that only if we attain certain posts in this new, then that is a privilege, but it is not so. Even people may have extensive experience in various sectors, so they will definitely have some sort of knowledge in all the other sectors. They all are partners here, so that is a very good opportunity for us to learn more from them. So they are all our partners. We are all consumer community and practical studies in the areas of finance, investment, and personal growth, and also real case studies, group lessons, and individual coaching and mentoring. So through Marathons 260, they have come up with a program where we are promoting in all ways, not only this just in digital doubles, using artificial intelligence. So the exactly when you type a certain related words in Facebook, it will search, the search engine will work across, the service will work across all the related platforms and give you the exact results what you need. So that is what is being done using a digital double. We are concentrating even in that in order to promote our business, because as we thought we will have, if we want to have a good returns, then definitely we should promote our business. That is the reason we have this Academy of Private Investor, where they particularly it promotes growth, personal growth, not only personal growth, but also our business growth. Investment thinking. So, the financial literacy is to take responsible decisions, financially responsible decisions. So the realization of dreams, whenever your investment, your thinking should be great. You should carefully define a portfolio. Suppose if you join a brokerage, Binance, or some other sectors, you have to decide your own portfolio, and you need to have the sectors. These are the sectors you would like to select your own sectors. But here, everything already planned by our Andre Havratov, CEO of New Ideology, and he has selected the sectors appropriate to the global investment portfolio. So no need to worry about anything. Already everything has been planned. Just you need to enter the thing. That is the thing considered here. So Robert Kiyosaki, he is an American businessman. He is the founder of Rich Global LLC and a Rich Dad Company, a private financial education company that provides financial, personal finance and also business education to people through online and also through offline, through videos, and also books are available for about his writings and what financial education. Everything is available in the videos as well in books. So this he formed this cash flow quadrant. The main important thing which attracted me was why only the 10% of the global population is having 90% of the money. That is what made me to join this company immediately. So we would have thought a lot of times about only about the people who are living in a condition more than our level. Like we never see people living in a low background, or we want to become like them. So we never think about that. In that way, only all people want to, because that is good only. Because, only that makes us to work towards. If you settle down, so definitely nothing is going to happen. If you struggle through the obstacles, definitely it will lead to a position where you want to be, right? So whatever you think, you become. In that way, he has created a very good cash flow quadrant. So why the 90% of the people are very working for that 10% of the employers. So that is the thing, everyone likes it, and that is the equal distribution of wealth among. I saw that Norway is a very good country in wealth distribution. So I saw that while taking some records for this webinar and working. So if you have a job, so definitely we may see people, some people may not be, even if you compel them, they will never quit their job, and they will never. So the people who are searching for a turn, like for a thing, they want to achieve something in their life, only the people, those will come to our new. But who are already working for more than 10 years for a job, they will never quit, because they think that sitting and doing the job, they have become used to that. So never they think of a secondary income. But in a businessman, if you take a businessman, he own a business and people work for you, so he has a high risk. So he may not think that always he will be busy with his business, and he will, even some people the young age itself, they will become so much some sort of health issues because of thinking about this business all the way. And also entrepreneur who work for yourself, so they are the people who takes a lot of risk for the money, and also they will be thinking about the returns, whether it may profit or it may not. So it depends upon the uh, uh, also depends upon the condition, whether situation, whether it may work out or it may not work out, all depend on the time. So the time is the factor that decides. But here in investor money works for you. So this is where we are. So we are not working, but we are making the money to work for us. So that is the very great idea that Robert Kiyosaki gave in the cash flow quadrant. This principle made him very popular among them, and we are informing about this to all the webinars. So that way he has become, even he lost some sort of his company lost several billions of dollars, but then he was very cool because of applying this technique. So we too should know that. That's the reason our company is providing online webinars for us in order to enhance our knowledge in the related field. Next slide, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we see a financial literacy of the population. So it is not only that you invest the amount, but you need to know the literacy is nothing but the education. You need to know how to safeguard your money, how to secure your money, and how to multiply your money. So if you have a lot of money investment and lot of things, and but when you come at a certain situation, if you are about to spend all your money in one go, then all has gone. That is the reason our company is constantly providing training in order to even VIP membership also provided in order to secure some part of our money, so that it will come as a return to us. That is the reason they have done. Here, if you see the percentage of adults who are financially literate. So whenever you take that foreign countries, even India is standing first from the beginning, but then a few countries are planning to overcome. That is not an issue. But anyhow, the financial literacy, if you take Canada, 51 to 60% of the people are financially literate. So they very well know where to invest, diversification, all those, not put all the eggs in a one basket. So these are the 8 rules of private investor. They very well know where to invest and where not to do. So the risk will be very less. So if you consider Greenland, see the percentage data is not being provided for that, and United States 51 to 60%. So these they very well know where to invest and where not to. This may be a new for us, but so many people like even some people in Malaysia and all, they have bought even few years back because they were searching for the opportunity. We came to know about only in 2019 somewhat after the CRU launch, but even people have bought Skyway shares before even. So they have got a good financial knowledge in that how to. So we know only banking sector, that is also fine. But in future, we are moving towards the cryptocurrency. So we need to be updated in all our related fields to achieve the goals. Okay, so this has been mentioned to have what is the role of the financial literacy. So we have a solution. So where is all are looking for some or the other solution, right? So in our life, why are we in new? We need to have a solution. So that is the financial freedom, right? For whatever it may be behind education or personal growth, whatever it may be, but the final result is we need to have a profit for our capital. So that is the main reason. But we also want to have our personal growth and also education along with this to maintain our capital. So the training courses are aimed at self-development and planning, financial literacy, so the investment thinking, whether to decide whether it is good to invest or not. That is the reason so many people are investing in MLM. So when I call few clients, they say that already we have invested in so and so sector, but then we realizing the importance of new and into here because they have set in their mindset is all about mindset. They have set in their mind this won't work out. So even we can mend their ways and bring them by giving the learning. Definitely, if they are searching for a solution, they will definitely come into our business and learn different methods and strategies here. So here comes the solution that is nothing but new. So these are the success stories of success. Here I could identify. So here, even stories of success. See, when we work for a company, definitely we don't have a time to spend for our family and devote sufficient time to spend with our family members. But then here it is, everything is possible in new. So we have so many contacts. We used to have some people maybe are very much interested in having not having any contacts, but then because of new we are forced to have. That is better for our development, business development, and also promotion. And here I could ma'am Alina ma'am said that in second line, second one, she informed about this guy. He was initially Stephen I think. Yes, Stephen. And he had another job where he could not find sufficient time to spend with his kids, and even for birthday party or any other event also he could not spend time with his kids. But then after entering new, he was very much happy with that. So like this, one of our stories, so many people like they may be having difficulty in finance. So everything, don't think that some stories of a very good story of success in the sense it means that only they should be a very great and intelligent person. You should never think like that. Even a simple person, they can become they can become their story can become a success about okay, okay, fine. So it can happen even in you. Now, Ravi Kumar sir was sorry, if you take 17 years, he was searching for a better thing, but he could not achieve. But then he achieved too. So these are the stories of success. So many of you may have different stories, different stories. So that will be that has been shared here. See, so many people are having success stories. This is also one of the tasks that our Marathon 260 has. Also, what is the success story behind you? So when you take, when I looked for the completing the task in Marathon, I saw that all the people are dedicating more time. Even they wake up around 5 a.m., where it will be very calm environment, where our mind will work without thinking about any disturbance. So that all the success stories, if you take a glance, definitely they are having something like out of their comfort zone. So they don't want to be always settling down. And if you find easy in this hindrances, in overcoming all these hindrances, definitely you will also be here in one of the pictures. It is going to happen really if you work smart and hard for new. Your picture also will be here in future. So could you identify any other people over here? If anyone wants to say, then they can come up. Okay, so these are the stories, success stories. So many people are here. Okay, so VIP Club of a Private Investor. Now we have started that VIP Club, where a very important strategy, which is having even to 20,000. We crossed 20,000. We are planning to have 2 lakhs in near future, and VIP Club of a Private Investor. So what are the advantages you get through this VIP Club? We get additional loyalty bonus apart from our normal loyalty bonus, and it will be credited soon. Now they are working on that. And you have the permission to attend the closed club summary report, which is happening every month. And also the other advantage is additional loyalty bonus. So these, and also the EIP packages are available for with a discount. So for a normal people, it will be, they have to pay the entire amount, but we have coupons on gift vouchers for this. We can purchase at a very low compared to the normal investor. And also we were gifted 350 CRU this time, right? Even we never expected that this will happen very soon. And we have got 350 gifted CRU for joining VIP. That's a very, our company always gives so many gifts, even from the trip. We went to Delhi, bonuses, very attractive bonus we got. So every time our company is giving, we have to be very thankful for that, and also very proud of our company. So here are so Allied Club member. How to become a Allied Club member? You need to pay for that only according to the rank you hold. Suppose if you're a partner, if you're entering as a partner, then you need to pay $10 for that, and you will be, if you become an agent, $20. So depending upon the rank, you need to pay the exact consultant 30. So everything will be mentioned in our back office. And they have got even grace time. Our CEO has given some grace time for that 3 months grace time from the period you register. Suppose if you are an already existing client, then the date that VIP was launched was 4th of May, and June, July, August. So till 4th August, you can join the VIP club. And also if he is a new person, new registered member, then he have the chance to register from 3 months within the date of registration. From the time he registered, he has got 3 months grace period. So our CEO has allocated this opportunity for us to decide. So you may think that, so suppose if you are unable to, at this period of time, you can't tell to all your partners to join VIP, right? So that is the reason we have the grace period, so that we can find out whether he is an investor or he wants to become increase his rank. Once he increases his rank, definitely he will be having willing to become a VIP member. So that part of convincing our clients also, our Andre has given so much ample opportunity for us to not to strain more on that.
Okay.
Okay. Foundation of investing. And also one more thing, we do have a 75% of discount in educational packages when we are a VIP club member. So we can purchase. The main thing is, if we become a VIP member, we have a close contact with our company. So how is it that possible? Only when we have a proper education, right? So if we for the VIP club member, our company has given 75% discount in order to avail all the educational information packages, so that it will be easier for us to get the education and become close with the company. So these are the fundamentals of investing, you know, that 8 rules of a private investor, and also the fundamentals of capitalization. So what is the capital, how it is determined. So the capitalization is determined by the share price and by the multiplied by the number of outstanding shares. So whenever you want to measure about a company on the it is worth on the open market, then you do with the help of this capitalization formula. And also the foundation of wealth and prosperity, 5 levels of an investor. So these are the courses available: a millionaire in a year marathon, and master of finance game board game. Now it is available only in the board game, but in future we are planning for an app to be installed very soon. And also investment strategies, objects and instruments. So a marathon of success and summit of successful MLCI pension plan. So these are the courses available to attain the master profi graduation. So that whenever people, when you have all the certificates, then it will be worthwhile for providing insufficient information, so that people will believe you, right? So that is the reason we have a discount. And one more very good offer here for when you join the VIP club, EIP beginner. So we have very easier packs, only 5 packages available. Earlier we need to go to that CRE program and search how many, but now it's easily easy to remember, and also easy to promote. So EIP beginner, how much discount he has. So normally, if he doesn't enter the VIP club, then he needs to pay a 200 unit, wherein when he is a VIP club member, he or she is a VIP club member, then they can pay only 50 units. And next one is EIP basic. So if you consider without a VIP club membership, then you need to pay 825 unit. But then for a VIP member, it is affordable for 250 units. And EIP elementary education, so the participants of the VIP club, it is only 1000 units. So you can save 1125 units on this. And EIP secondary education, so 125 unit is saved, where we can avail for 4000 unit. And EIP higher education, so and that is for 10,000 units. So to 2772 you have a discount. Suppose if you want to, even in schooling, we have a beginner like nursery. It starts with nursery, and then basic, elementary, primary, and then secondary. In the same way, our packages has been allocated, like from the beginning till the higher education. So it's a wonderful, like university, because Andre is having Academy of Private Investor. He has got more than 23 years of experience, and 11 years, 10 years he is going to complete. 2011 it was sorted. So it is based on the university education patterns. Excellent. And also the CRU bonus with each purchase. So now it is 50 CRU whenever they register. So that is the thing. It's a wonderful, wonderful crypto unit transition. Okay. So we recently celebrated our crypto unit birthday on 30th March 2019. This is start of the crypto unit program. The great opportunity we all got, and we are happy to work for New that was born on 30th March 2019. And then within 3 days, we can't even think transition to stage 2. Wow. So even for months together, we waited for these 4 months for stage 1 to stage 2 in phase 2, but then it happened within 3 days. Wow, what a great news. And here, see, 1st of May. So within a week, the transition to stage 3, how much even Govind sir may know about these stages, because he purchased on the launch of the crypto unit program. And 8th May, within a week, accrual of the first loyalty program bonus was accredited to the new partners. And 1st June 2019, so the within June only, within 1 month, the transition to stage 4. So we crossed. We have 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. In each phase, we have 8 stages. So that is what mentioned over here. And July, within a 1 month, transition to stage 5. So the in August, see how the transition has been happening earlier. Within 1 month, even at the last minute, we have found very difficult to top up our account, because the stage will cross. In that way only happened. So we should be very well purchase it earlier. Should not wait till the 11th hour. So whenever the transition stage happens, so many people will buy, and the site may be under maintenance. Because the load testing, everything should be done right for testing phase and all. So better you purchase within the before the transition, at least 1 week before. And in August 2019, transition to stage 6, wonderful. And September, so within a 1 month, if you see, check it out, within 1 month, the stage transition has happened, stage 7. And in November, so what happened, because of they segregated that stage 1 and stage 2, and stage 8, stage 8.1 and stage 8.2. So even our company gave so many advantages and facilities for us to get that opportunity. So many things they have done. So we are thinking that only if a fault we are complaining that, but we should think about all these things. We never forget the stage 8.1 and stage 8.2. See, 13th November, the first accrual of Profi bonus. So only we get Profi bonus if the amount crosses 100,000 units, and also the 70% of the voting should be there in order for the accrual of a Profi bonus. And 8th January, the transition to second part of development. So we all know how much members they will join at the last minute. Even some people are there who will definitely, they will wait for the last minute and they will join. The 8th January it happened, the transition to the second part of the development, phase 2. We are in phase 2, stage 2. And 15th January, entering the Ethereum blockchain. So immediately our CEO announced in the noon that he announced that it is entering into Ethereum blockchain, all our CRU units. So we do have a webinar and data mining every week, Thursday. So we can have a very good knowledge about the blockchain. We are having our own blockchain. We started our own blockchain, and 9th March, internal CRU exchange was launched, right? So we do have some experience in that internal CRU exchange, where we can get units for CRU and also CRU for units. So we do have whenever the unblocked, or else we can purchase through units, and also we did that. Now it is in market. And 1st May, transition to the stage 2 of the second part. So this is all about the stages, transition from the birthday, from the CRU's start of the crypto unit program till this second part. So this is a crypto unit project. So this is one of our project, but in future we are going to have several projects like CRU. That is what our Andre has mentioned. Okay, so these are the 20 investment sectors, 20 sectors of the investment market. So the first comes the education. So education is important in our company, and we should never ever deny in that fact, and that is needed one and for everyone, even for a child. We are very much interested, not only at the first day itself, for while filling the application, we used to say that to the principal that my daughter wants to become a doctor or engineer or whatever, space research, so that we are having so much of aim. Why? Because only through education it is possible, right? So that is the reason we are having education in the first level, and this is the pioneer. So we are the starters in multi-level crowd investing development sector, and we do have MLM and all that, but we are the pioneers, we are the beginners of the multi-level crowd investing and secure sector of equity participation in a business. We are the co-owners. So directly we do not own the company, but we do have rights to receive the profit, 8 to 35% of the profit from all the sectors. So now at present 20 sectors of the investment market is there and or there. In future we are planning to have 50 sectors in 24, and health and longevity development sector. Even in this pandemic situation, we had that health thing, because everywhere the checking of person, everything done through the hospitals, right? So that was the sector never locked down. Health and longevity development sector is medicine, and innovative transport development sector is Skyway. That is we are funding the Skyway for another 25 years. Already we did supported them a lot, and they have become reached a skyrocket growth, and they are in uh, mingling with another company. But we are providing, we will provide 25 sector 25 years of support for them in now. And banking sector, stock markets. So it enables the buyers and sellers to negotiate prices and make trades. So that's a stock exchange. It can be sold if only if it is listed on a exchange. So it can be sold on exchange. That is also included foreign exchange markets and cryptocurrency markets. So we do favor in cryptocurrency. And also, since our bank accounts are closed in India, we do have the ability to do the top up and everything through our credit card or this cryptocurrency thing. And also, our Andre wants everyone to be a miner, to know about data mining and do mining in his home. So that is what our CEO loves to us to do. And insurance sector, so that is also included, and real estate sector. So the construction and building, innovative development sector, wherever the new challenges are there in development, our industry, our company, or in the country, there we do have, we all will come under us. And agriculture and farming development sector. So if you take even Skyway, it is having a transportation up in the air, so that down all the agricultural lands can be used for farming and cultivation for food. So food is the main thing, whatever we develop, or that is the food is the thing where we should pay attention to. That is that decides the health of everyone, right? So the agriculture is also a very good thing, which is diminishing nowadays. But when I saw that even Vijay sir's background with all agriculture and farming land, we feel really happy. Even if for last month, even Govind sir informed that he is growing plants in his terrace or somewhere around. Really, I felt very happy. Even if you grow one brinjal, a small vegetable, definitely we can't measure our happiness, right? So we love to prepare our own food. Nowadays everything is contaminated, and we are say, having so many diseases at the early age. But it can be thing, so many cultivating lands can be turned into agriculture. That is the, whenever you think about our crypto unit, it will be economic friendly. So when whatever sector you take, we consider even basalt also. So we consider the nature. So nature is also being taken into account for nature lovers. And sector of entrepreneurial and cooperative and social development. So where we are not, we are there everywhere. Science sector, nuclear science. So it deals with radiology for cutting diamonds and all, we use nuclear science sector. That is the thing. And culture is nothing but the movie sector, the cinema industry. And Andre, mainly we target on China and India, where the watchers, movie watchers are more. So we love, Indians love to watch movies, and also the China. So we take into account both the countries. And we have Kitmar industry, where we concentrate in now. Even the Dragon Man is going to release, and precious and semi-precious metals sector. So that there comes. And oh, thank you, Dinakaran. So precious and semi-precious metal sector. They are the diamond, metal, nothing but gold. So gold, if you see, whenever, it never ever decrease, it always increase, right? So that is the thing we consider. So that is the reason Andre considered that gold mining. We at present we do have gold mining. And even in a closed summary report, when we signed the NGA form, he directly visited that gold mining. He checked whether the gold, everything is very good, and with that microscope and all, he checked, he relayed that picture. So the metal sector, precious metal. So whenever the currency, the countries are printing the currency, definitely they will take into how many gold mining they have. So depending upon that only, it will be fixed. So we are into that. And precious and semi-precious stone sector. So there is nothing but diamond. So the diamond is having a very great, we are producing artificial as well natural diamond. Even Andre said in one webinar that so the natural and artificial diamond equivalent to Tiffany brand. So Tiffany brand is where the celebrities like to buy. So even the price may be very less. Even Deepika Padukone, when in her marriage, she wore only small stone that was nearly about 20 crores because of the brand. But if you buy in a normal store, it will be less. But celebrities definitely, because they are not spending, right? Only the directors are spending for them. So they will definitely buy. Or even if they maybe Deepika Padukone would have bought I'm not sure about that. Why I'm saying this thing, because celebrity prefer to buy the one with the Tiffany brand. But here our Andre suggested that our diamond quality should be equivalent to Tiffany brand, so that the celebrities will come and buy for us. The quality will be equivalent, but the price should be lesser than Tiffany, so that it will be affordable for them to buy that. And also he gave an example for the child born through natural thing, and also through that artificial insemination. So he compared that when a child is born through IUV or any artificial insemination, and also a natural birth, a natural thing, and a child is born. So suppose if you take all these two things, the child is a living being, right? So the child is the same, but the process may be different. So that is the thing. Even if it is an artificial or it may be natural, but the final product of the diamond is very good in quality. So that is what he mentioned. Really a wonderful explanation he gave about this. And space development sector. So we are into that. And charity sector, recent few months back, it also been added. That's a very great thing. Who are believing in some sort of charity, or like helping others. That is also being considered into. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Ravikumar, sir. So these are the things we are aiming to include another 30 sectors within 2024. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Okay, now, so as I informed before, the Sushi Master, so it's a takeaway restaurant. So it has a lot of chain of Japanese cuisine restaurants. And we have, frequently we are getting some ads related to this. And we, at present, we have 250 Sushi Masters all over the world. And even you can become a franchise of the Sushi Master by filling an application form available in your back office, and you will get, suppose if you are very much interested in hotel industry, very well you can become franchise. So suppose if you take a natural, so many salons are there, right? A chain of restaurants, Pizza Corner, So many restaurants are there, but you need not have any that much people will be there, like uniformity will be maintained everywhere. And even if you have any liking to be a franchise of Sushi Master, we have the opportunity to involve in that. And also the normal partner will have definitely surely they are going to have profit from our Sushi Master. So we are also the co-owners of Sushi Master. And gold mining, so we do have close summary report. We saw the gold mining related pictures and all that. And so because it's a raising sector, a never diminishing sector. And KG Club production, so the Kitmar industry, film industry, targeting for major even some one more thing, like if we are encouraging actors, fresh not only the fresh actors who are ready to pay for some amount and for acting there, because we are planning to get revenue from that people. So suppose if rather than may that rather than giving a chance to a person who is a very new, our Andre thinks that no, who is already experienced, our Andre has decided that if we employ people who are very much having passion to act, and they are willing to provide so much money for this acting class and all, like even our Surya sir is taking some acting class, right? In that way also we are planning to have our revenue from that production. So suppose some people are planning to pay more and get into acting field. In that way also we are planning to become a co-owner of that film production, where it is especially targeted at China and India market, and innovative basalt technologies. So here comes the lovable basalt, and it is going to replace most of the non-biodegradable products like plastics and also metals. Suppose if you take environmental friendly, again our sector, our new is always with eco-friendly sector. And instead of so many insulations that people who live in a cold countries, they have insulations made up of metal. But now basalt is a natural mineral ore. It is obtained from rocks. So it's naturally formed a mineral ore, and also biodecomposable is very easier. So need not spend some time for degrading and recycling a process. It will automatically, naturally, it will decompose by itself. So that we are Dimitri. So that he is the CEO, and our CEO Andre had a talk with him, and they are going to planning to get into the STO in 4 months, basalt. So we are planning to have tie up with them in order to become co-owner of the basalt technologies, and it will have a massive production in near future. So we'll get more than Skyway, even to 25% of the profit we are receiving from Skyway. It will be it is considered to give 35% of the total profit from innovative basalt technologies. So we have signed the contract for that, and we are awaiting their STO. So Andre already considered with Dimitri in order to proceed with the tie-up. Welcome. Okay. So what does the crypto unit program provide? So already we are members, partners of the crypto unit program. What does it provide? Co-ownership. So we are the co-owners of all these sectors. Not only if you consider one sector, not only Sushi Masters, so many restaurant chains will be linked to it in near future. Even if you have your own business, like if you are interested in some other field, you have the rights to apply, suggest your project. A column will be there in our new account. If it is a very good business, which is having previous, some criteria are there. If you pass out those criteria, definitely our Andrew is ready to support. Even Kama, he's doing that sanitary napkins for women. So our company already gave permission to do that. So we are having such a wonderful platform where we get authorized for our own business, not only their business, our business too, and monthly loyalty program bonus. So already we are getting that. We will get it till October 2021. And okay, fine. Welcome, Christopher. So opportunity to receive Profi bonus. So whenever our income crosses 100,000 units, definitely we will be receiving Profi bonus, and some certain numbers, 10 million users or even 5 million users. That's the chart is there. So when we cross that one, definitely the stage is going to change, and we are there ready to receive that abundance in huge profit, regulated and transparent financing. So we are open to all. That is the open summary meet, and every week, who even our CEO is sitting hours together to provide all the reports openly, right? So these are the things. And CRU value growth due to increase in assets. So our Profi bonus is an unconditional base income. So it is not a fixed one, right? So every month, according to the sectors adding in our portfolio, definitely our Profi bonus is a growing one, and we are happy to have that in near future. And possibility of circulation of CIU in global merchandising. So it's a promotion of goods or services that are available for retail sales. So whenever you launch a product, it should be available for the retail sales, right? That is the right time. At the right time, if you launch, definitely our sales will boom. So that is the global merchandising, and we need to set prices for the goods or services, creating display and attractive packages and designs, developing marketing strategies, and giving discounts or coupons. So by that way, we use to global merchandise a product. So that is the possibility of CRU circulation. So these are the thanks a lot, Raghuram. And these are the programs the crypto unit provides for us. So this is a massive, amazing development over 1 year, just 1 year, small, cute baby, right? So within that, how much we have achieved. So really ridiculous. In future, it is going to develop, and develop. So better and better. Okay, so for that, want to become financially free, what you want to do, step-by-step guide. So these are we are having Academy of Private Investor. Our leaders are holding our hands from registration till the verification purchase. They are like teachers, right? Mentoring, explaining each and everything. We can't even expect in other business, right? We are there to support you, even for a free registration. The registration is totally free, and everyone can register. But what I suggest is that when you should consider right well at the beginning. So when you make the registration, you please feel free to ask them whether they would like to purchase, educate them all about. Definitely they will buy even a small package, some simple registration, because so that our time will be saved is my suggestion. But then anyhow, registration is free. We do have crossed 1 million, more than 1 million people using free registrations. Suppose they may not have funds right now, but they may, because they may get some free CRU, right? So it is good to register them for free, and we are here to support each and every step in explaining. So it's very easy for you to register, user friendly, very much user friendly. Even you are nowadays working in Android, so many things are there, right? So many apps we are handling. So this is a very easy platform, and anyone can register. It's a child's play, and become a member of the VIP club and receive bonuses. So even we never thought about this exciting offer, right? So last month also I made a few people VIP club membership to while that golden off Friday opportunity. For that we would have made some people a VIP, right? Before that is the purpose of the Golden Friday. But then what the returns? Definitely, we are very happy to inform our clients that they have received 350 CRU, right? So our company provides an opportunity each and every time for us to price the company and also support for our business. And also you need to choose the right EAP. So what is you need to plan. Suppose if your client is willing to pay more, you can talk to them like this will be worth for you. This will because we had some installment plan and all, right? So we can inform. Definitely, if we educate, they will pay, they will buy it. So that is the choose the right EAP. We need to choose which EAP will be better for them for increase their ranking position, and also that is the must, right? So whenever we want to attain some rank, our personal investment should be somewhat it should be 500 for a consultant in that way. So we need to choose the right EAP and take actions and go for it. So why do we need to wait? We can promote to all dear and nears in order to reach our rank. So do you want to earn by learning right now? So yes, we do. That is what we are doing, right? Okay. So we want to earn. That is the main criteria. Everyone wants to make a profit by investing and also getting the knowledge. The final thing is money. The only thing why we are concentrating more in education, because we should not lose our money in any circumstances. We should preserve our capital and also multiply our returns, right? So suppose if you want to get a share in become a co-owner in Apple or another Google. So it took nearly 15 years to receive such a huge returns, right? So that is the thing. It's not that much, that many years. Only 1 year from your date of purchase, date of EIP. So that sort of learning they are continuously they are providing every week, now and then, in order to improve our knowledge in that particular field, to know about the right investment.
Yes, ma'am.
Because now in past generations and all, we had only cash was used most daily purchases, right? So but today's it's very rarely flashed, particularly not by younger shoppers. The way they shop has changed a lot. Even we are not planning to go for everything. We are buying Amazon in online, and online shopping has become top choice for many people. So creating an ample opportunities to use an overextended credit. So whenever credit banks are ready to give a credit card, so that is the reason all a trendy too easy way to accumulate debts. We are becoming more and more borrowing money from others, and risk factor containing so many risk factors and fast moving.
Ma'am.
I got a call from my client. Okay.
Okay. Can I continue?
So I'm okay. Multi-level crowd investing is a wonderful platform. We are receiving money, refund, revenue, income revenue in across multi-levels. So it is not so many people would have said some referral or binary income or so whatever it may be, but this is a very easy platform where we receive multi-level. Suppose if you become a consult basic. Rank for that is consultant. If you reach a consultant rank, definitely you will be even in 1000th level. If a person joins, definitely you will be receiving a certain percentage of amount. So it's wonderful, isn't it? That we are the pioneer. We are the only one in multi-level crowd investing. And what are the multi-level and investment business? So both combined together. Accessible training. So we give a training every now and then, every week, and it's a home business. So even in this pandemic situation, we were receiving referral, isn't it? So many companies are closed, and even so many sectors they are not getting sufficient money. But here we can spend time with our family as well, do our business. at home, and we are the own boss. We are our own employees. So whenever you want to get a leave today, it's your wish to, you can extend your time late night and finish your work, right? So we have the time to spend in the morning. And also if you are willing to, we can manage our time management is very quietly possible because of it new made that possible. Okay. Okay, can you hear me, Nazma? Okay. So work online nowadays, it's a very great trendy one, new thing which has come, not only offline. Every day we need to go to job, and even we make go to beach and spend some time with our friends, but then okay, when the time is up, you need to leave at once because you need to take sufficient rest to work, go to office the next day, right? So the timing and all will be very difficult when you work. Mm, from to go to daily going to office and working for 8 hours. So if you think of 1 year, the 11 months you need to work for in an office, and only 1 month you will be your holiday. But it is not like this. Unlimited revenue by forming so many members, promoting. So the company is doing everything. Only thing, you have to share your knowledge and um, bring them to the webinars. So that is the thing they need everywhere. It's a very good company. No need to, they are giving open report, and also you need not think about whether they will join or not. Definitely it is possible. So we do receive unlimited revenue and international business. So we could proudly say that 176 countries are involved in our new. So definitely this is a international business where we may be very proud to say that to everyone. And fast realization of dreams. So what is a realization of dreams? So whenever you have set a goal, you need to work towards it, right? So the financial goals, definitely, if you do not, if you have a dream big. That is what our CEO often says. So dream big, and also work in order to receive whatever your goal. So that is the thing, cost realization. So definitely our dreams are going to come true, and we are planning to achieve whatever we dreamt of. And opportunity to earn millions in 12 to 60 months in 1 year waiting period, as I said before, from the date of registration, and only 1 year in 5 years, that is 60 months, you are going to earn in millions. So that will be a very great opportunity for us. And here, investment consultant training. So through so many platforms, webinars, they are providing consultant training in investment business. So no other investment business is providing this many trainings as of New does. And investments instruments co-ownership. So we are the co-owners. Opportunity to increase our capital quickly, very quickly. So our asset management is based on that portfolio. We are going to multiply our assets year, even a few years it will be going to increase. So the opportunity to create assets $1 million in 2 to 5 years, 24 to 60 months. And prestige, so we are prestigious to work for new. Even in Facebook also, we have so many friends. Earlier we had only few friends, but because of this new, we had so many contacts and networks, right? So that everyone will easily join. If you have so many people related working related with new, then definitely they will it will increase the chance of joining new. So these are the things comes under multi-level business. So what need not hesitate, they will join this and earn unlimited income till that profi bonus arrives. We can earn referral income through, even if you start doing promoting to 2 people, you will become an agent, right? So 4 agents under you. And we have launched the express bonus promo, like 5 levels of 5 people scheme, that is also working out, and so many people are involved in promoting in that way also. So the very good referral income is received using new. Okay, we so since 2014, 750,000 active partners worldwide. Oh, okay. So these are the people, they have purchased EIP and business operations in 176 countries. 71 achievers in rank president. So we have
Anjana ma'am, any difficulty?
okay. Uh, Actually, I could not unmute. That was the reason.
Okay,
Now
okay.
I can do that now. Yeah, thank you, Nazma. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Mm.
So, and 71 achievers in rank president, and we speak 11 languages. We are conducting webinars in 11 languages right now, and so 96 million 398,724.02 units were paid to network as a bonus. So till now we have paid this much units, and we achieved more than 1 million registrations over 5 years, and 20,000 per month. And even in registration every 2 minutes, suppose we are having webinar here, but then one people is being registered somewhere, right? So even one day we are registering so many people in registration in 2 minutes. That's the reason we are having so many active partners adding up. So definitely whatever our CEO thought of, the 10 million, we may cross even that when we promote each at least one or two members. That is definitely possible in all the Facebook or Instagram. We are working on that, and digital double, where it will combine, that is related words will be searched using artificial intelligence, where the human the work, it will be done with a robo, and definitely it is going to happen. Right. Next slide, please.
Yes, ma'am.
So these were the results achieved. We are expecting more and more presidents in the near future. So stories of success. Already we saw a few members. Now Alina Pepina ma'am is here, and she's the top manager. Anita Martinson, she used to give a webinar report every year. Some of the other topics she will be handling. And Rita Ashin, and so we too want to be seen here, right? So in future, okay, even last Emmanuel Baroni, and then so this one Nazar Sam Salim Al. So last webinar he came, he was there present in the last webinar, and so these are the stories of success. So it is not an easy task, right? They would have joined or 3 years. You may not think that at the time of it will not happen in a fortnight. So it is a continuous effort. So if you join now, you may not go back step according to the current market situations. You should not decide, take an immediate decision to step back. So the fluctuations will be there, inflation may be there. So definitely it is possible when constantly and consistently we try anything, right? So definitely if we want to raise by overcoming the difficulties or obstacles, the way is there. Where there is a will, there is a way, is a proverb. So definitely if we want to achieve something, there is a way. We need to find it out and proceed in that in order to become like this. In these photographs, even our photographs will be displayed. If we do that, our company is already, they are giving ranks only based on our work, not on monetary things, right? So when we definitely thrive, we can become success stories. Already we are doing it. So even more and more stories of success, because that is a marathon. And here comes Hari Narun sir is there, and he conducts Saturdays, and even the one before Jose Manuel and he and his wife together are supporting new in Spain. In Spain, he is a leader in Spain. And Dhruv Kumar, India, he conducts webinar every week. And okay, very good. So these are also stories of success. So whenever you take people who achieve this rank or this success, definitely there will be some story behind them. So it's not an easy task to achieve, but definitely everyone can achieve this one once you fix your mind on that. Our company is there to help us in each and every aspect. So the only thing is we should utilize that opportunity in order to improve our lifestyle. So advantages, what are the advantages of the MLCA business? So as we already discussed, business from home. So it is under your control. You are the own boss. You can decide whether you need to work online or what time management, everything. You have the freedom to decide your own timing and start your international business from the scratch. So the people are there to, from the registration till the earning referral income, people are there to support by conducting so many classes and educational information. So it will be very easy task for you to promote yourself, right? So unlimited earning potential, definitely that is happening now, and multiple income streams. So these are the benefits that are that will be the MLCI multi-level income we are receiving, even for 4 lines. Even nowadays, if we don't work also, we will be start, because this is a multi-level crowd investing. Even at the 1000th level, you will be receiving. So once you found a strong foundation, if you form a strong foundation and financial planning, definitely it is possible for you to achieve any rank, regardless of the circumstances. Unique business model. So this is our starter. We are the starters, pioneers in that, and we are the number one in unique business model. Never ever have that in any other portfolio, any other platform. Massive leverage across network. So investment strategy, it is like what is leverage, borrowing money specifically for a purpose, and they return that in a huge returns. It will be returned. That is the meaning of leverage. So the potential of it will be borrowed from so many people, and then it will be returned in a huge investment. The return of the huge investment from that, that is the massive leverage, because 176 countries are involved in that. So these are the outcomes of MLCI business. So we can proudly say that we are involved in number one MLCI business across the globe. And also, apart from the business, it also, when as I always say, like that what Andre says, approach people with a helping mind rather than a business mind, right? So in after joining this new, even our attitude mended some way, like the helping, how to help in order to become make them more active and involved. We are finding out the ways, checking out the plans and what will be. So if you join in this November, not only now we have totally so when, because since more than a year we are working for new, right? So we have definitely you will become part of your mindset will be in an motive to help them rather than doing business. So that is what our Andre said even earlier itself, that is approach the people with your business mind, not with your with a helping mind rather than a business mind. Oh, thank you, Velmurugan sir. So we have to follow. If you follow, definitely, if you want to inquire, if you inquire each and every, so you may not have time to do that, but then if you develop a rapport with your clients, definitely your existing clients or your future prospects, right? So if you're, suppose if your clients, then you can ask for their family to register. In that way, if you do proper client service, like some offers and all, they may not be aware of. So even if we educate several times, they might have got to work for in some other office or some other company. So if you inform, definitely they will join. So that is the reason we need to help rather than we are doing that already. I know so many leaders are doing that. How to become a part of a project? So here comes the way how to begin. So register, verify. Only when you register, the company knows that you are the person. Now they have included one selfie with a proof. That is the thing, because our company have so many departments like apex department, and they have added a legal department. So many departments are adding one by one. So for that, registration is very much needed for when we enter the crypto market, and we do need to register, but so that we are having a proper rights to receive the assets, digital assets. That is the reason, because they are providing certificates and all that, and in that it will be mentioned, there will be mentioned about passport number, whatever proof we give, right? So for that, registration is very compulsory, and also verification you need to do at once in order to, after, because in some circumstances, if you do not register, then it is not possible for that particular account to perform or involve in that exchange, right? So verification is needed, and participate. So you need to decide which EIP you need to purchase, whether you are an investor or speculator. Need to decide upon based on that and implement. So whenever you take an action, that should be implemented, right? Take into action. We dream, but when we want that dream to happen, what we need to do, we have to implement that. Steps, goals should be implemented immediately. Dreaming big is very good. At the same time, definitely we will have mindset to work towards that dream. So that is the implementation. Whenever we take an action, we need to implement that. Even action is very much needed. I have heard one story. Like one teacher was informing the kids, nursery kids, or maybe some children, so they should clap their hand after she says number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But then she clapped when the count was 3. So the children were repeating the what the teacher did. So even when you say, that is not taken into account, right? Whatever you do, the children listen what you do. In the same way, we have to do it when we think, or when we can say whatever, but we need to take some steps to initiate that and implement. So once implemented, it will be a success. Even in my project management, even if you take a project management, the implementation, so you may work for some project for airways reservation. So finally, what you have to do, you have to book online, right? That is the implement. Then only you can travel to other countries. So that is the implementation is the final important step we need to take in order to achieve our dream realization, and which in turn helps us to live in longevity and prosperity and abundance and happiness. And we need to spread happiness across the world. That is possible only when we implement, take step into action. Come on, work, start implementing that, whatever you think into action. That is the thing, it is going to make your dreams come true. So that is what our project is all about. Next slide, please. Okay, so you have a wonderful presence for API students. So we are all students of Academy of Private Investor. So once you become this June month, this month of June, they have introduced an very attractive offer, 350 CRU points after you become a member of the VIP club, just for $10. Thank you, sir. $10 if you pay for VIP member, definitely you will be becoming a member of the VIP club, and they give 350 CRU points, a wonderful gift in order to enhance that VIP, to improve the VIP club members, and also very good attractive package gift of financial literacy training. Every Tuesday we are conducting the financial literacy training, and also every Thursday MLCA business training. So about multi-level crowd investing, we are having that especially for our API students. So we can very well for this June, we can promote this offer, or what is our mission. So whatever the company it may be, we should have a mission. So that is the realization of our dream happens, right? So global distribution of wealth, um, that should be equally distributed among all the people across the globe. It should not be like 10% of the people holding 90% of the money. Definitely it should not be like that. It should, every people should have access to wealth, and they should be happy and security. So safeguarding your money whenever you may threat or some theft may occur, you should be never be behind it. So we have some legal department, ethical department also to take care of that. Definite they will be doing abundance, already they have implemented, and security for your money, that is very well here in new. And protection. So you can have, okay, when you invest in some other platform, you may have a doubt whether it is there or not. Very well know that definitely it is not going to happen. Even then people are investing there. But if you take any investment platform, it's not a very short term thing, it's a long term, but the result will be massive, and help others. So we already have achieved that habit of helping others. Now India is number one. Definitely, all countries are planning to become number one. That we should admire that. And prosperity. So if we have all these, definitely prosperity will come along with this happiness and our realization of dreams. So if you're determined enough to start, dreams will come in your way. So can't happen overnight. Many people don't want to go through the struggle, so they think that they can settle down and simply watch. So only when you go through the obstacles and hindrances, your result will be very much fruitful, and the time goes by. On the other hand, if you settle your dreams, and definitely your life is not going to happen that much, but if you overcome all those, your life will be going better and better. So never lose money. Carefully consider investment after knowing the prospects are good. So think about all this, and already we sorted out all these and gave away. So it is all about education, co-ownership, and business. So education, it is to facilitate learning, how to invest and how to protect your money, and also multiply your finance. And co-ownership, we are all co-owners of the global investment portfolio, where it has all the sectors combined together to improve our income. And also business, it's MLCI, where we receive unlimited income from multi levels. So already we discussed about all this in earlier slides. So again, success stories, so many. Here, Presidential Council, our great CEO, Andy Havrato is here, who is a dream of a dream hero. And then Mila Senjikova, super lady, and she is she's the CEO of Shikard, and Petru Jalba is there, and Draga Stashes. So they all came to Delhi. So we know, we met everyone in person, right? So we know Andrew Hawks, he is the founder of VIP Club, and Sarah Hawks, they both gave a webinar with Harry and Sakshi ma'am online support, and Armons Manix. So if you hear this story of Armons, he was a very well, very poor, he was struggling a lot for very good life. But then after joining, he's earning in crores. And Zamila is here, and our Harvinder Singh, Hari sir is here. He is ready to help us in all the way. And even our top manager, Ravi Kumar sir, is would like to achieve that position very soon. And everyone are dreaming about that, right? So this is the time to implement all our dreams, not only so many people who join newly or willing to reach this position through hard work. And Lydia Inam, she gives a wonderful webinar. And also this Vietnam leader, she is planning to achieve our position. And she usually used to give webinar along with Armand Manix, who will translate that Vietnam language. And so very well we know about all these people. And Harissa joined in 3 years back. Definitely we will also be able to achieve this position. And Andre encourages us all to have more and more members in Presidential Council. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Kumarasamy sir. Okay, so many success stories and Presidential Council we have seen. Okay, so what will be your decision? So after hearing all these, what is your decision? So this is the already the plan is there, path is there. So only thing is you need to decide to come up with us and start educating yourself and earning in abundance and massive returns. So never ever dreamt of and realizing your dreams. That is very not too far. It's very near, and only through promotion we are able to achieve it, but definitely we are going to achieve it through all the Facebook and Instagram, all the mass media. What will be your decision? So okay, so we need to decide, right? So this is the time for us to decide. Are you ready to walk with us, or set your goal and towards work towards this, or you need to promote yourself? So these are the things you need to consider, whether we are here to support you in all the way. So why not travel along with us? Financial literacy, we are providing education in financial literacy, and whatever possible it may be, and so close summary report, everything is happening, crystal clear reports are given. So why you need to hesitant in promoting? So multiple sources, as we saw already, it's an MLCI, a like-minded community, so many people. So why we are here all today in the webinar, like-minded community? So we want to encourage one and other. So that is the helping tendency. So ability to create assets. Yeah, so that is the main thing. We will be creating more and more in the coming years, and opportunity to leave a legacy. So definitely we are going to achieve great. Our Andre will be the king in 8 years, and we are all become so much. Whatever 1 million, $1 into 1 million, it is going to happen very soon. And these are the things. So it is your final decision to decide to get involved into new and get all these education from us, and become a partner of new consumer community, where we have not only this business, but also community, like we have a close relationship with the company, and also among our partners, be a part of the Presidential Council, and have a close relationship with all these sectors. Even when app, when we install app, we may talk with all the management, even Basalt Technology CEO. We will have the opportunity as a co-owner to clarify, or because they all people were are having so many experience, so many years of experience in their particular field, right? So they all not only that is the literacy, that is there comes the literacy. That is the reason we are providing to choose the right path, and also to become financially free, yeah, financially free in all aspects. Thank you. Thank you, Vidya Adiklal. Thanks a lot. So, so rather than working as an employee, we can make the money work for us. So that is the very beautiful concept, new, which attracted and which brought all of us together in this platform, and we are ready to do anything for new, right? So if the company does so many things for us, why not we? What we should do for the company, we should have that in thing. And definitely the company in return, thanksgiving. So when you thank, if you drink water or eat food, what our parents used to teach us, we need to pray to God before eating our food, and also before drinking water. So right, so in that way, when we give thanks, definitely it will repeat. if you say thanks to a coconut tree which gives a tender coconut, definitely it will, it is an so it is a social thing which will happen, reflect. So if you give thanks, definitely it will return to you. So more and more you will get. So start you saying thanks to our company, and definitely company will give more and more to us. So this is what I would like to inform you all. Yeah. So the decision is in your hand. So next slide, please. I think.
And finish, ma'am.
Okay, that's so. Is it over?
Yes, yes, yes. This is fine.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, I'm very glad to conduct this webinar. Really, I want to give more knowledge about the some sectors like you are feeling difficulties, and even I'm willing to keep you all updated about this, and you can ask me whatever topic you are comfortable with. I'm ready to take even those things, because I'm willing to. I was in education delivery support, so I'm very much willing to educate you and also make you to prosper in all the aspects. And if you like my presentation so far, give one. Thank you, Richard. Thank you, Richard. Can you give one so that I love to? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
So here with